Welcome to day 37. Today's word is regret. Regret doesn't live in the moment, it lives in the replay. It's the scene you watch again and again, hoping for a different ending that never comes. It's not just a memory, it's punishment dressed as protection. But regret was never meant to chain you to the past. It was meant to remind you that you are still alive, and you still get to choose differently today. Regret is heavy because it traps you in yesterday. It whispers, if only I had stayed, if only I had left sooner, if only I had spoken, if only I had stayed silent. It convinces you that if you'd chosen differently, everything would be better now. But here's the truth. Regret doesn't deal in reality, it deals in what ifs. The danger of regret is that it punishes you twice. Once for the moment that happened, and again every time you replay it. It narrows your world, it pulls you out of the present. It convinces you that you are still defined by a choice that's already behind you. But regret can also be a doorway, because regret is proof that you care, proof that you wanted more, that you longed for better, that you are awake enough to notice where you wish things were different. When faced honestly, regret becomes a teacher. It shows you where you desire love. It shows you where you need truth. It shows you what matters most. You cannot rewrite yesterday, but you can reclaim today. You can stop punishing yourself for the choices of someone who didn't yet know what you know now. You can honor the lesson while releasing the chains. Regret is not meant to be your prison. It's meant to be your pause. A moment to reflect, to learn, and then to let go. So instead of asking what if, ask what now? Because the past has already spoken, but the present is still waiting for you. Today's challenge, break the replay. Change the ending. Write down the regret you keep replaying, then rewrite the ending as if compassion has the final word. Read it back to yourself. Mark the release. Take an object, song, or photo tied to regret. Hold it, name it out loud, then set it aside, throw it away, or place it somewhere new. Shift the body. The next time regret rises, stand tall, plant your feet firmly on the earth, and declare, I am here, I am free, I choose today. Record your truth. Speak into your phone or journal to your younger self in that moment of regret. Tell them what you know now. End with, I forgive you. And let's take this deeper by reflecting. These prompts are here to help you face regret honestly, not to stay trapped in it, but to move through it. What regret have I been replaying, and what truth am I ready to hold instead? How has regret shaped the way I move through life, and is that shaping still serving me? If I truly forgave myself, what would begin to feel different today? Take a deep breath in. Let it out slowly. And speak this affirmation over yourself. I am not bound to regret. I release the replay. I carry the lesson, not the chains. I choose freedom. I choose life. Again, I am not bound to regret. I release the replay. I carry the lesson, not the chains. I choose freedom. I choose life. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, thank you for always being with me. Thank you for staying close even when regret made me feel far away. Thank you for showing me that regret has no power greater than your presence. Today I bring you the moments I replay, the words I wish I had spoken, the silences I wish I hadn't kept, the decisions I've questioned over and over. I set them down now. I refuse to punish myself again. I choose to be free. Replace regret with wisdom. Replace judgment with compassion. Replace the ache of if only with the hope of even now. Teach me to forgive myself the way you already have. Teach me to carry the lessons forward without carrying the chains. Teach me to believe that nothing from my past is wasted when it is placed in your hands. And Spirit, I pray for the one listening today. For the one who feels trapped in replay, release them. For the one who believes it's too late, show them it's not. For the one who has carried regret like armor, let it fall. Cover us with your mercy. Clothe us in your grace. Renew us with your truth. Regret does not define us. Your love defines us. Your peace steadies us. Your freedom carries us forward. Today we release the past. We step into life. We step forward with you. Amen. Regret is not your name. It is not your truth. It is not your future. You are forgiven. You are free. You are still becoming. I'll meet you here tomorrow for day 38. Same time, new word. Until then, release your regret and walk in grace. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.